Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, how are you? Okay, in this video we will discuss about sewing machine. Before entering the topic, I will introduce myself. My name is Fajar Torik, Department of Mechanical Engineering, the origin of the Polytechnic PGRI Banten. Okay, let's go to the topic. I will discuss about sewing machine. There are three things we need to know, namely classification, function, how to operate it. Okay, let's go to the classification. Classification. The sewing machine is a basic sewing tool that is the most important component in the sewing machine. Sewing along with technology that continues to develop. Today, sewing machine basically sophisticated and diverse. The type of fabric and the diversity of clothing affect sewing machine use. Sewing machines today not only produce same stitch but varies according to the type of fabric and the type of clothing produced to optimize the sewing process in the garment industry. Sewing machine technology in the industry has an important role. The sewing machine is one of the mechanical devices that have very important benefits in diverse life, especially in the processing of fabric and the clothing. The inventor of the first sewing machine was Elias Howe, who was citizen of the America Serikat, who created his masterpiece 1844. Sewing machines were made to facilitate human activities in sewing various clothing need function. The sewing machine has a function to unit piece of fabric that has been patterned and cut into parts of clothing with the help of thread to form a garment according to desired pattern on ship. There is a question: what are the benefits of this machine? Useful for sewing for clothes and sewing fabric that will be used as clothes. How to operate a sewing machine? Yang pertama, installing the sewing machine needle. Number 2, install the sewing machine shoes. Number 3, put the thread on the sewing machine. Number 4, install the spool on the scotch. Run the sewing machine. Next, start, and after you start sewing, machine sews and thread on top and pull down towards the back. The material is placed under the shoes and lower the machine shoe back down. Insert the needle by turning the hand wheel and run the machine by stepping on the dynamo pedal or the pedaling the machine according to the machine being used. Start slow, make a fair switch as a booster back and forth by raising the stitch spacer. The stitch move back and forth, or by lifting the sewing machine so we make the initial stitch again. Okay, thank you. See you in the next video.